Good evening, students and staff of Liberty University. Today, we're prompted with the question of if a pilot believes that a road travel is superior to an airline, or if it was vice versa, should we suggest the alternative? Well, the question would really be um, what is worth the time? So, if it's to be local, I believe that a drive should be advised. Of course, this is something we need to think about when we consider the plans of the person recording the plan or requesting, because we may not be privy to a meeting or a time-sensitive event. There are also hazards along with driving, um, the cost of which could be anywhere between $75 or $250 from a local enterprise. If company personnel are using their own vehicle, a compensation of about 18 cents per mile should be considered. And then the hotel fees for these individuals could range anywhere from $75 to $200 per day. Some of the risks would be an increased chance of accident due to an unfamiliar environment and area, and then possible law enforcement incidents reflecting poorly upon the company. Whereas the driving advantage is that they are able to just get up and go. They don't have to worry about hanging out at an airport. With local travels, they conserve the cost of plane usage. That could save about $1,000 or more. They can scout for potential expansion, and there are no crowded areas during this COVID pandemic. The biggest advantage of it is you do have a mode of transportation. Disadvantage is the travel times would be longer. Maximum road speed is 80, whereas Learjet's about 500. Less stable window of travel due to traffic and or accidents, and the wear and tear on the vehicles, if not rented, could be rather severe. So I believe that if the events are not local, we should just maintain the flight schedule that we were requested. This is because of those factors earlier, is that we are not privy to the schedule of those that are requesting the plane, and it could be a time-sensitive event that needs to occur. And then that is exactly what flight is for, is, well, it's our solution to time. We're able to go 500 miles an hour in the air, turning this 1,000 trip from Cincinnati all the way down to Whitham Field in Florida in 2 hours. Whereas, as you can see here, it's a 15 or more hour trip. But of course, planes come with their own negatives, and that they still have a rental cost, a hangar cost, higher costs in total, fuel for the jet as well. But I would still say that unless the pilots are in the know of the situation, that they should maintain their travel, and as long as the flight path is safe and clear, then fly we shall. Thank you for your time.